Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Unlock English Podcast. I'm Alex, and today we're going to learn Travel English Made Easy. We'll practice real English for the airport, hotel, and taxi.
Hi, everyone. I'm Amma. Alex, that sounds amazing. I'm so excited to learn this because I'm actually traveling soon.
Really? That's perfect, Amma. Then today's lesson will be just for you. Let's start at the airport.
Great. I always get a little nervous at airports. There are so many people and so many signs.
That's normal, Amma. But once you know a few simple English phrases, you'll feel confident and calm. Let's start with check-in. The airline staff will say, "Hello, can I see your passport and ticket, please?"
Here you are. That's easy.
Then they might ask, "Do you have any luggage to check in?" That means, do you have a big bag that goes on the airplane, not with you?
Oh, I see. So I can say, yes, I have one bag.
Perfect. Then they'll give you a boarding pass. That's the paper with your seat number and gate. Next, you go to security check. The officer may say, "Please take off your jacket," or "Put your phone in the tray."
Got it. I'll smile and follow the instructions.
Excellent! Then you wait near your gate until they say, "Now boarding." That means it's time to get on the plane.
I love that moment. The adventure begins. What should I say to the flight attendant?
Good question. The flight attendant might ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
I can say, yes, orange juice, please, or water, please.
Perfect manners, Amma. If you need something, you can say, "Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please?" When the plane lands, you'll go to immigration. The officer might ask, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
I can say, I'm here for vacation, or I'm here for business.
Exactly. Then they might ask, "How long will you stay?" You can reply, "I'll stay for 5 days."
That's simple and polite. I feel confident now.
And that's how you travel smoothly through the airport. Great job, Amma. And to our listeners, practice these phrases slowly and repeat them aloud. You're doing great.
Thank you, Alex. I'm ready for my flight, and my English sounds better already.
Wonderful. In the next episode, we'll learn English for the hotel, from check-in to ordering breakfast. Until then, keep smiling and keep learning.
That flight was great, Alex. Now I've just landed and taken a taxi to my hotel. What should I say when I arrive at the front desk?
Good question, Amma. When you walk into the hotel, you'll usually see a smiling receptionist. They might say, "Good evening. How can I help you?"
Oh, then I can reply, hello, I have a reservation under the name Amma. That sounds polite, right?
Perfectly polite. The receptionist will probably say, "Can I see your passport, please?" You can smile and hand it over, saying, "Here you are."
Got it. And after that?
Then they'll give you your room key and say, "Your room number is 305. The elevator is on your right." Simple and clear.
Now I'm in my room. It looks beautiful. But what if I need something?
Easy. You can call the front desk and say, "Hello, this is room 305. Could I please have an extra towel?" Or, "Could you send someone to fix the air conditioner?"
That's very polite. I like using could you please. It sounds so nice.
Exactly, Amma. And if you're hungry, you can call room service and say, "Hello, I'd like to order some food, please." You might hear, "Would you like to see the menu?"
Oh, that's perfect. And if I want to know breakfast time?
You can ask, "Excuse me, what time is breakfast served?" Usually they'll say, "Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Nice and simple. And when I'm ready to leave the hotel?
When you're ready to check out, go to the front desk and say, "I'd like to check out, please." The staff might ask, "Did you use anything from the minibar?"
Oh, yes, that tiny fridge in the room. So I can answer, no, I didn't, or yes, I had one drink.
Perfect. Then say, "Thank you. I had a great stay." Always end with a smile.
Alex, I feel more confident now. Next time, can we learn how to take a taxi and talk with the driver?
Of course. That's our next step. Taking a taxi. Let's go explore that next. All right, Amma. You've checked out of the hotel. Now it's time to take a taxi. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I walk outside and see a line of yellow taxis. What do I say to the driver?
You can start by saying, "Good morning. Could you take me to the airport, please?" Always polite, always clear.
That sounds nice and easy. What if I want to know the price before the ride?
Good question. You can ask, "How much is it to the airport?" Or, "Can you tell me the fare, please?"
That's useful. And if I'm okay with the price, I can say, that's fine, thank you.
Exactly. Once the ride starts, you can make small talk if you want. For example, "How long will it take to get there?"
I like that. And maybe the driver will ask, is this your first time in the city? I can answer, yes, it's my first time. It's beautiful here.
Perfect, Amma. That's a friendly and natural answer. You can also ask simple things like, "What places do you recommend to visit?"
Oh, that's a nice question. Now, when I arrive at the airport, what do I say to the driver?
Easy. You can say, "You can stop here, please." Then ask, "How much is it?" When the driver tells you the amount, you can hand over the money and say, "Thank you very much. Keep the change."
That's polite and friendly. I really like how simple these phrases are. English feels easier when it's used like this.
You're absolutely right. English travel is not about using difficult words. It's about using real, polite, and confident English.
I love that, Alex. So today I learned how to speak English at the airport, in the hotel, and in a taxi.
That's right, Amma. And you did it step by step. So now, wherever you travel, you can speak English with confidence.
Thank you, Alex. And thank you, listeners, for learning with us today.
Until next time, keep practicing English, keep smiling, and keep learning. See you soon!